Today, we're going to go way beyond just writing a script. We're talking about a framework for preparing your entire self, your mind, your body, your message, so you can walk into any recording session and just nail it every single time. This is about being ready to deliver your absolute best work.
You ever have that feeling? You've got this incredible idea, it's perfect in your head, but then you hit record and something just gets lost. It's like it evaporates on the way to the microphone. That's a super common anxiety for creators, and believe me, we're gonna tackle that head on right now.
And this really gets to the heart of it. The magic doesn't just happen when that red light comes on. Nope, it's forged in all those little moments before. It's all about being intentional right from the very beginning.
Okay, so how do we actually build that foundation? Well, it all comes down to two different but totally connected levels of readiness. Think of them as two sides of the same coin. Let's break them down.
And here they are: technical readiness and energetic alignment. You can think of it like this. Technical readiness is all about the stuff, making sure your gear, your script, your setup is flawless. But energetic alignment, that's about you. It's about making sure you show up present, clear, and ready to connect. You absolutely need both to create something that really truly lands with people.
All right, let's dive into that first pillar, the practical foundation. This is all the nuts and bolts stuff, the tangible things you can do to make sure your session runs smoothly, so you can stop worrying about the tech and just focus on your message.
And first up, let's talk about wardrobe. I know, it sounds simple, but what you wear has a way bigger impact than you might think. It's not just about looking good for the camera. Oh no, noisy fabrics, clanking jewelry, that stuff can absolutely wreck your audio. So let's get into the details.
Okay, the checklist here is pretty simple but super effective. Solids are always better than busy patterns that can get weird on camera. Super bright whites or neons, they can blow out the shot. And silent, comfy fabrics, that's a must for good audio. But you know, the most important rule here is the last one. Wear what feels like you. Authenticity is everything. It always wins. All right, let's talk about your actual content and script. Look, I know it's tempting to just wing it sometimes, but you need a roadmap. Even if it's just bullet points, you gotta know your opening, your key points, and how you're gonna close it out. That strong hook at the beginning, absolutely crucial. And a pro tip, if you're doing something long, break it up into smaller 5 to 7 minute chunks. It helps keep your energy up and your delivery sharp.
Now let's talk about your most important tools, your voice and your body. Seriously, think of them as your instruments. You gotta tune them before you play. Hydration is key, and it starts the day before. You'll want to avoid things like dairy or alcohol that can coat your throat. And just like an athlete stretches, you need to warm up. A few gentle hums, some tongue twisters, even just rolling your shoulders, it can make a world of difference for your voice and your presence.
Okay, we've covered the practical stuff. Now for our second pillar. And honestly, this is the secret sauce. This is the part that takes your content from being just good to being absolutely unforgettable. We're talking about energetic alignment. This is the inner work that creates real, lasting impact.
And this quote, it just nails it, doesn't it? Practical prep gets you sharp, but energetic alignment makes you unforgettable. See, almost anyone can get the technical stuff right with a little practice, but showing up with that grounded, clear, confident energy, that is what makes people lean in. That's what makes them remember what you had to say.
So, the big question is, how do we do that? Well, it all starts with grounding yourself. It's really just the simple act of pulling your focus away from that racing, what-if, future-tripping part of your brain and anchoring it right here, in this moment. It's an instant way to calm your nerves and clear your head.
And here's a super simple tool you can use anytime, anywhere. A grounding breath. Just inhale for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 6. That slightly longer exhale is like a little message to your nervous system, telling it, hey, it's okay, you can relax. Seriously, just do that a few times, and you'll physically feel your shoulders drop. Okay, once you feel a little more centered, it's time to set your intention. This is such a powerful practice for getting crystal clear on your why. All you have to do is ask yourself, why am I actually here today? What is the one single thing I want my audience to feel or to understand when this is over?
And here's a key part. Don't just think it, say it out loud. Something like, my intention today is to bring clarity and courage to this topic. Then pick an emotional tone to carry with you. Are you going to bring curiosity or maybe compassion?
Whatever it is, that becomes your energetic North Star. It'll guide you through the whole session.
So this is where we bring it all together. The practical stuff, it's done. Your inner energy, it's aligned. This is that magic moment where all that prep work comes together and transforms into pure, confident presence.
And this is the payoff. This is what it's all for. When you've done both levels of this work, something in the room literally shifts. You're not just reading lines anymore, you are fully inhabiting your message. And your audience, they feel that. The message isn't just heard, it's felt. It truly, finally lands.
This is the state you can step into every single time. The tools are ready, your energy is aligned, you're hydrated, you're warmed up, you're grounded, you're intentional. You're so ready, the room is yours. You're not just a guest here, you own this space.
Because with this kind of preparation, you're not just ready to record something. You're ready to actually connect with someone. So before you hit record next time, ask yourself this one last question. What is the truth you are here to tell that no one else can? Now, go tell it.